begin.
Throw me like a Hellcat.
ज़्यादा ताकत लगा देगा इशू हो रहा है।
Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗵𝗿𝗺 Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. 𝗩𝗵𝗿𝗺 Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.